What's going on, guys, and welcome to the channel. Tonight we are actually over at a meet here in Arlington, Texas. It is the Fuel Throttle Meet. I lied. Fuel Throttle Meet. It seems thus far it's poorly planned. They're trying to find everyone to park, so we're kind of walking around waiting for everyone to park so I can get some video of some of these cars. But just learned about this meet today, so we came out to it, and it's actually a pretty big turnout. I believe there's like 150 registrations or so odd with this, so yeah, it should turn out to be a big meet. Parking lot's filling up extremely fast, and there's still people, as you can see, pulling in. This is the parking lot that's kind of not full thus far, but I don't think they were accounting for spectator parking, and there's a lot of spectators or people that drive regular cars wanting to come to the meet. So yeah, we're gonna make our way around, see a couple vehicles, and maybe see what we can get into after this meet in a little Mexico. So this is the decal guy that's actually making my decals right now. So he's got a trailer up here. Just hooked up to his truck. And actually, about this truck, this thing should be in the show. It's actually one of the nicest trucks here right now. So no shot at anybody else that had a truck up here. But sorry, this one looks better. But yeah, I haven't gotten my stickers yet, but Graphics 84 Vinyl Works. He seems to have God, that's a loud car. He seems to have every platform, Instagram, Facebook, and stuff like that, so go check him out. I'm going to show you what I get here in a second. Granted, he's not making me like a wild sticker or anything, just kind of my YouTube decal for the car. So yeah, that's his thing and his whole get up here. Alright, so he's all done with the stickers. They look great, actually. That looks really good. Appreciate you, man. I already shouted you out. I got you a video and everything. Yeah, for sure. Appreciate it. Thank you, man. They're yelling like, get back in your car and leave. I don't know what that's all about though. Let me go check it out. Well, guys, it's only 7:30 and the meet stops at 8:30, but I guess because the Mopar boys did a burnout, they're calling it quits. So yeah, coming to the guy now.
You got told no. Stay over there or leave. He pulls up, blocks everything. I said, I want to go over there and do. Back your car up and leave. Go out. So he backs up, gets straight, does a big ass burnout, and then gets attacked. He's like, we're bringing people back. We're bringing back. Bring people back. I'm fixing to have Arlington PD out here anyway. The event's done. We're done. That's it. One-time deal. It's all right. It was too big to begin with. Whenever we filled up over here and over there, we should have turned everybody else at that point. We should have turned everybody away. You can't control a meeting with only 4 people of this size. It's impossible.
Well, there you heard it. So, dude in a Mopar, Challenger, Charger, something, I guess did a big burnout after the guy told him to leave, and now they're just canceling the event. So, I think I actually have a race lined up with a Chrysler 300. I guess it's got the SRT engine in it. But, so we're going to meet up with him and do a couple little runs in Mexico before we make it back to the house. But, sorry I didn't get a lot of footage of cars, but yeah, I guess there's always somebody that ruins the fun here. But yeah, it's a pretty cool meet, but I think he said this is the last time they're gonna have this meet, so that's unfortunate. Check out this beautiful ZL1 1LE. Got a big carbon wang on it. Beautiful, like, I guess it's, what is it, copper throttle wheel? the old ones look so menacing, especially in all black. We got the shopping cart here. Hell yeah. Everyone leaving out. I'm gonna wait on my stickers to actually get done. Plus I don't want to leave right now.
We say bye-bye.